Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are discussing an important aspect of ISO 55001, non-conformities and corrective actions. Addressing non-conformities is critical to maintaining the effectiveness and continual improvement of your asset management system. What are non-conformities? Non-conformities are deviations from the established processes, policies, or requirements of your asset management system. They could include failure to meet ISO 55001 standards, gaps in compliance with organizational procedures, performance issues that hinder asset reliability or value delivery. Non-conformities can arise from various sources, such as audit performance evaluations or operational feedback. Identifying and addressing them promptly is essential to prevent recurring issues and improve overall system performance. Corrective actions in ISO 55001. Corrective actions are systematic steps taken to eliminate the root cause of non-conformity and prevent it from happening again. This involves identifying the problem, clearly define the non-conformity and its impact. Root cause analysis. Use tools like the 5 ways or fishbone diagram to determine the underlying cause. Developing a solution. Design an action plan to address the root cause effectively. Implementing the action. Execute the plan with assigned responsibilities and timelines. Verifying effectiveness. Monitor the results to ensure the non-conformity is resolved permanently. ISO 55001 emphasizes a risk-based approach to corrective actions. This means prioritizing actions based on the potential impact of the non-conformity on asset performance, organizational objectives, or stakeholder expectations. Documentation of non-conformities and corrective actions. Accurate documentation is crucial for managing non-conformities and corrective actions. Your records should include description of the non-conformity, findings from the root cause analysis, details of the corrective action plan, results of implementation, and effectiveness checks. Documenting these steps ensures accountability, providing evidence for audits and support continuous improvement efforts. Benefits of managing non-conformities. By effectively managing non-conformities, organizations can improve system reliability, reduce recurring issues that affect asset performance, enhance compliance, demonstrate conformity with ISO 55001 and legal requirements, support continuous improvement, strengthen processes and align with organizational goals. To conclude, I can say that non-conformities and corrective actions are more than problem-solving exercises. They are opportunities to refine your asset management system and enhance its value to your organization. Thank you for watching. If you need help implementing ISO 55001 or managing non-conformities effectively, don't hesitate to reach out. Together, let's turn challenges into opportunities for improvement. So if you have any question, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. See you in the next video. Thank you.